Hello students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, which is mountains of India. In the previous chapter we came across physical features of India, in which we learned about the northern mountains of our country. Let's begin with the Northern Mountain Range. It is made up of Karakoram and Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan mountain range is one of the youngest mountain range in the world. Studies have revealed that they are still growing in height. The Karakoram range is located toward the northwestern direction. The Himalayas are located towards the northern and the northeastern part of India. The northern mountains stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Any guesses which is the largest peak of the world? Fine, I'll tell you. Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world. Its height is 8,848 meters and is located in Nepal. Everest was first climbed by Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary in 1953. The lady who climbed Everest from India was Bachendri Pal in the year 1984. The total length of Himalayas is approximately 2,500 kilometers and its width tend to range from 150 to 400 kilometers. Do you know, students, there are 3 ranges of mountains in the Himalayas? Let me tell you. The first is Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The next one is Middle Himalayas or Himachal. The third one is Lower Himalayas, which is also known as Shiwalik. The Greater Himalayas, which is also known as Himadri. It is the highest of all 3 ranges. It lies in the extreme north and is covered with snow throughout the year. There are glaciers in these mountains. Many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Indus originate from these glaciers. Kanchenjunga and Annapurna are the 2 high peaks in this range. The Himadri region is located too high for any human beings to survive there. Not many animals and plants are found here. Middle Himalayas, which is also known as Himachal. It is located beneath the upper Himalayas. It is at a lower height than the Greater Himalayas. We find thick forest of oak, deodar and pine. Here you will find beautiful hill stations like Manali, Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling. The last one is Lower Himalayas, which is also known as Shiwalik. It is located just below the Middle Himalayas and Lower Himalayas, which is also known as the Shiwalik Range. They are the lowest and the southernmost part of Himalayas. It is better to call them hills instead of calling them mountains. Farming takes place here, where the farmers grow crops like rice, vegetables and potatoes. The Purvanchal Range. It is a series of low hills which is located on the eastern part of the Shivaliks. The hills which can be found in this range are Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga and Lushai. Now students, let me tell you the benefits of the northern mountainous regions. The northern mountainous region is an important factor in determining the climate of India. It acts as a natural boundary and have protected us from foreign invasions since ages. It also prevents the cold-biting winds from northern Asia from entering India. It prevents the rain-bearing winds from leaving India, resulting in heavy rainfall over the country. It also acts as a source of many important rivers of India. The hill ranges of India. Northern mountains are not the only hilly or mountainous regions of India. The other hilly areas of India include Vindhya Range, Satpura Range and Aravali Range. The Vindhya and the Satpura Range lies in the central India and both these ranges run parallel to each other. Out of these two, Satpura Range is higher in length and is the source of rivers like Narmada and Tapi. The Aravali Range. The word Aravali means a line of peaks. It is a range of mountains that is located in the western India and covers a distance of 692 kilometers. Let's learn about the eastern and the western Ghats. The eastern Ghats run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and is known as Purva Ghat or Mahendra Parvat. They start from West Bengal in the north and end till Tamil Nadu. The Deccan Plateau is located towards the western part of the range. In fact, it is between eastern and the western Ghats. Western Ghat. Western Ghats are also known as Sahayadris. They run parallel to the western coast of India. From the point of view of biodiversity, they are one of the 8th best spots in the world. There we'll find a lot of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and reserve forests in this region. Let's recall, in this lesson we learnt about Himalayan mountains, the divisions of mountains which were Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and the Lower Himalayas. We explored the benefits of the northern mountainous regions, the hill ranges of India, Vindhya Range, Satpura Range and Aravali Range. And we came across the eastern and the western Ghats. I hope you all have understood the lesson.